Hi everyone, hope you're doing great today. I wanted to remind you guys, this comes up a lot in family law, that Nevada is a community property state. So what does that mean? That means that 50% of everything you make or owe in a marriage belongs to the other party. So that's 50% of your income, 50% of equity in a property that you guys live in together, 50% of all of your retirement plans, your 401k, your pensions, 50% of anything you put into a joint bank account. That also means 50% of any debt that you incur. So even if the parties have separate credit cards that don't have each other's names on it, it doesn't matter. Both parties are 50% liable for any debt incurred while the parties are married. So you want to make sure that you are aware of what your spouse is doing and spending. And these issues come up all the time in divorce, whether or not a person's debt should belong to them entirely or if it's part of the community property. Clearly, if they're using it to buy things for the house, it's going to be found to be community property. There are workarounds. You can do prenuptial agreements that make separate property separate before you get married. You can do it after you get married. They're called postnuptial agreements, where you guys can agree that certain property is going to be held in a certain way. When you get estate funds, you can make sure that you put them into separate accounts and that you never commingle those accounts, meaning you never put them together. A lot of different options for you. If you have any questions or concerns or things you want to talk about with this particular issue, please give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out. Hope you have a great day. Thanks.